And welcome to my blog here on this Tuesday, January 26th. I was gonna do a blog yesterday, but decided couldn't do that because Dad had to do his blood test, and we wouldn't allow to shoot videos in the library or the hospital. But we're just gonna let it go today. But my last blog I did was the car wash run on Saturday. If you want to check out my video, just click on the link section below, and you can see my video, my car wash video. Also, my car wash video, my second car wash video I've done on YouTube, and my first since January 5th of 2013. It was the same place, Grandville Car Wash. They used to call it Fairlanes Car Wash. Now it's Grand Village Car Wash in Grandville. Check out my video. Also, you can also click on this if you want to watch my car wash video, my second car wash video ever. So, what's going on, guys? Hope you're having a great day. We're gonna jump in the shower, see what today has to bring us. The shower, and wonder what we're gonna be eating for lunch today or something like that. We're going to Denny's to eat lunch today. But the only thing I'm in today, but you never know what else could be in store for the day. Should I get my buzz cut today? Should I go? I looked up where should I go shopping today? I looked up Big Lots last night. The one in I looked up the one in Wyoming is closed. The closest one I could think of is in Holland, Michigan. The other one is on the south side of Grand Rapids on Division Street. But you never know what will happen today. This is gonna be some good food. So it's gonna be one exciting day. We just left the house. Dad finally fixed the garage door opener so that the garage doors can automatically open now. So Dad's getting gas right now. I'm at a Citgo gas station right now. We're gonna get our oil changed. Today. So let's see what the oil change. We'll see what the oil change looks like. We're going to go to Denny's today, but it's too far to drive. instead we would go to Steak and Shake for lunch. Decided Steak and Shake in Grandville, Michigan. We'll look outside. That's 44th Street. That's 196. Look at this. Right behind us. It's the bacon and cheese double steak burger. Was what I got. I took a few bites. It was pretty good.
Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.
Nothing special, but we'll continue eating though, and then we'll get away with this. We just got done eating at Steak and Shake. That guy stopped when the light was green. That isn't. That's bad driving for that guy in that Pontiac Grand Prix, the white car. So we're on our way to Lowe's. And now made into Lowe's. Looking for some flashlights and some other things to prepare for when the electricity goes out, or some other stuff like when we go out for go out for a fire on a summer night. Stuff you might need. Flashlights will be one of the things that you might need. We're not gonna spend a lot of money on a couple lights here, but this is a power cap. I've got one of those at home. You don't want to spend a lot of money. As I mentioned before, look at this. The LED flashlight. We're only $1.90 for $1.98. Look at this. Lit up. It's frog legs. Let's go. Alright. Also you got your a pulse. Tiny light. It flashes. Brilliant. Hope you like it. For all you flashlight fans. And lanterns. And this, look at this. Utility Tech. This is $17 lantern. It costs $16.97. And so I'm gonna continue looking and we'll look at the utility knives as well. This is a Lux Pro glow-in-the-dark flashlight. Look at that. Boy, it does flash really good. We're getting the orange. This doesn't work. This is the orange one. This is this doesn't work. It's the green one. But go ahead and bring it back home. Yeah. How many chips do you? Let's buy. This is a Lux Pro Focus 630. Remote modes. A slide focus. But look at the price. $27.48. That's expensive. This is a broad beam palm light. $6.97. I recommend it. Don't spend too much money on an expensive flashlight. But let's get on with something. Move on to something new. Got this Frog Legs flashlight with a bottle opener. It's $4.97 now. But look at this. Eco Advanced batteries. They're $6.37. Those are this is the longest lasting alkaline battery. Those are you get 6 of them. But look at this. Ultimate lithium batteries. $9.97. Yeah, look at this. 9 times longer lasting. Less waste. I think I'd rather go with these. Just so you know. And the lithium got Energizer 16 pack. There's 24 pack over here. Those are $13. So I'm gonna stick to these. So just in case I get more of those triple AAA batteries, I would get those at Walmart. Now, looking for the cheapest knife. Look at this. This is a case substitute. Sodbuster Jr. This is a 25. This is $24.98. Look at this. The Trapper from Case. $37.98. It's ridiculously expensive. The buck knives. Check those out. Those are $19.99. Those are expensive. We go down over here. Excuse me. You're excused. You're excused. Look at that, a Swiss Army knife. $15.98. But there's a knife accessories. Those are knife accessories. I think that'd be it. Look at this. Bought that Appalachian Trail 3-in-1 hand opening knife. They're $14.98. For 3 items. Cost me $27.90. That's $28. As you can see, there's Lowe's where we went to. There is Gander Mountain, PetSmart. There's an Office Max. And, such a beautiful scenery. Chilly and cold day. Thought that they were having a practice fire drill today.
Look at that big old tree. It's supposed to look like a cell tower.
Looks like a cell phone tower. Looks like a tree. And there was Grandville High School back to the left. City of Wyoming. This is Canal Street. Where is this going to take us?
I don't know. 52nd Street right up here. Streety.
Yep, it's 52nd Street. It's the first glimpse of South Canal Avenue.
So,
beautiful Grandville, Michigan.
We're going to go to the right, righty?
There is 52nd Street. How do you like this road, guys? Is this interesting or what? For all you people who live in Grandville and Wyoming, Michigan.
So we're headed southwest. Westy.
Look at this. There's an old barn here.
'58th Street. Streety.
This is 56th Street we're going to cross.
I think we should turn right.
There we go. Never been through here before.
Now we're headed west.
We're headed west on 56th Street. Another barn over here.
This is Kenowa. So if I go this way, which is north.
There it is. We're heading north on Kenowa.
should take us right past Wally World.
Yep. See that? To believe that. That's right.
It's affirmative.
This doesn't look too bad over here. We're gonna cross 196 over here.
There's M6.
It's 196 over here.
Was that 196?
Yep. That was positive. Affirmative. And that's right.
Good job there, smarty pants.
I hope it isn't so overrated. Is it overrated?
What overrated?
Driving through those back roads.
I don't think it was overrated.
Nope. Oh, look at this. Just down the road, somebody got pulled over for speeding.
Behind me, it's the Rogers.
That's the Ottawa County Sheriff's Department. We're on our way to get the oil changed now. What's that place called there, Dad?
Hello.
Hi.
How are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Too bad. I'll change the oil for you.
Yeah.
What's your current mileage at today?
63,780.
Is that a sticker up in the window I can get from you?
It's not from here.
That's fine. I'll take it. If you can just pop the hood for me, please.
This is an Oil Pro, isn't it, Dad?
I'm not sure.
Looks like you were using the full synthetic last time. Did you want to stick with that oil?
Yeah.
Rear kisser is good. Good.
Got this on video there, Dad.
Okay.
650. I'm going to drop in the big one.
That guy's changing an oil filter. He already checked the oil. Now he's changing the oil filter.
Yeah, it's that metal screen filter. It's
The oil filter is already changed now.
That's the air filter. So.
I mean the air filter. The air filter is already changed.
No, that's fine.
You don't want any?
No.
Hey, watch your fingers on too. You go up far enough.
It should only take about that much. I just filled it
Yeah,
up.
that's what I was gonna say. You're only down this bottom.
Yeah,
One.
that's fine.
Okay. Get him, man. That's it. You showed up. You not hear me? What? You not hear me? No. I said you can get him again. Right now. 136 coming later.
Somebody,
What's this for?
one of the guys.
Block heater?
Oh, it is? You use it?
Nah.
Did you get it on the UP or something?
Nah, it came with the car.
That's kind of nice to have though.
I've used it before, but not very often.
Are you ready to get 4 or 5
Well, somebody is underneath their car is changing the oil right now. And what these guys are going to do next is change the oil. I mean, put new oil in my dad's car. It's getting interesting, isn't it?
And a sticker for it.
the oil.
Yep.
And I got this on video. Pretty cool, isn't it? The oil being put in your car on video on my vlog and and being put on YouTube. Kind of neat, isn't it, there, Dad?
Start it up.
Yeah, checking the oil again to make sure that it isn't dirty. These guys are doing super. Teddy's root beer for $1. And they got cream soda, orange and cream soda, caffeine-free cream soda. How do you like that? They got s'mores, marshmallow munchies. I don't think there's dog food underneath there. I don't think there's dog food. Look at this. Pocket knives. And over here you got popcorn and got some gloves. They got pliers over here. Scraper set. Blades.
Alright, I'm ready to go.
I assume I'm gonna charge my iPhone here momentarily so I can get the kitchen cleaned up, and we'll show you what I bought at Tractor Supply Company. So, here's what I got from Tractor Supply Company. I got 2 of those Teddy's 1 liter bottle of root beer, caffeine free. Bought these each were $1, and bought her's pretzel
pretzel nuggets filled with peanut butter. Those are peanut butter filled pretzel nuggets. And s'mores chocolatey marshmallow, graham crispy marshmallow munchie. And look at that. Marshmallow, crispy marshmallow goodie. The original one. So, that's all I got. That's all I bought from Drug Supply Company. I was looking for more pocket knives, but didn't want to spend any more money. But I get my paycheck tomorrow. So, that's all there is to it. And now it's time for birthday shout-outs for today, Tuesday, January 26th. Jennifer Pitney, which is aka Jennifer Byron. Happy birthday. Samantha McCoy. Happy birthday. Jerry Holdman. Happy birthday to you. And then birthday shouts for Wednesday, January 27th. It's Clint Winnington. Chuck Nelson Johnson. Happy birthday to you, Chuck, and just who's my uncle. And Linda Cooper, husband, the wife of Pastor Anthony Cooper of Bucyrus, Ohio. Happy birthday. Be sure to write on the screen below where you went out to eat, or where you ate out for your birthday or ate in for your birthday. So thanks for watching my video today and my vlog, and be sure to like and subscribe and favorite. And I'll see you next time. And I'll see you tomorrow.